Hello friends, welcome again to the MOOC on Basics of Gardening. Today we are going to discuss about native plants. Native plants are those plants that are found naturally in any specific region, habitat or ecosystem where no human introduction is there. And opposite to that, there are some exotic plants which are found in other parts of world but cultivated by humans in some other part. So native plants adapted themselves to particular geography, hydrology and climate of that region. And by creating a garden full of native plants helps in nurturing and sustaining the landscape for birds and other animals. Modern people are obsessed with perfect lawn with exotic or ornamental species that doesn't support the ecosystem. So if you're going to create a garden, choose native plants because it affects the population of birds and insects. Let us discuss some other benefits of native plants. First is less maintenance. Once you grow native plants, they need very less care and very less maintenance. Second is native plants enhances the beauty. Various native plants produce showy, colorful flowers and fruits and sometimes seeds, and they enhances the beauty of your home. Next benefit is health benefit. Plants generally need artificial fertilizers, synthetic chemicals, herbicides and pesticides. But with native plants, you don't need any toxic chemicals. So by growing the native plants, you can create a healthy space for yourself and your society. And it will also help the wildlife too. Next is, I think, very much important, save water. Native plants need less water because they are adapted to the local environment. So we can save time, money, and most valuable resource, that is water. There are so many other benefits with these native plants, like these plants helps in the climate change and provides shelter and food to the wildlife. So it promotes the biodiversity. So through this video, we request you to please select more and more native plants for your garden. Thank you. Enjoy gardening.